Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Google app keeps stopping. So to start, open the settings app. So go to your settings. Now in here, scroll down and select general. Then select iPhone storage. Scroll through the list and find the Google app. Then tap on it. Next, tap offload app. Then tap offload app again to confirm the action. So this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. So after that, you'll see the reinstall app option. So tap it and wait for the app to reinstall. So this process removes the app itself while keeping your documents and data intact. So just wait for it to finish. So once the installation is complete, so open Google again and check if the issue has been resolved. If the problem continues, another thing you can try is clearing your search history. So open the Google app, then tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, click the settings icon in the top right corner, or you can click search history at the top. Now in here, you can click the delete option, then you can click delete today, delete custom range, or delete all time. So let's select delete all time and click next. Then confirm you would like to delete the following activity. Click confirm or delete and click got it. After deleting it, test the app again and see if that works. Now, if that still doesn't fix the issue, try clearing the app's cache and cookies. So tap your profile picture. Then go to settings in the top right corner. Then scroll down to privacy and security. So click privacy and safety. Then in here at the top under activity, select clear app history. Click clear all and select clear cookies. Select clear all and that's it. So once done, go back and see if that works. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.